Welcome back to the greatest YouTube channel. Today we're taking a detour to the hallowed halls of Harvard. That's right, we're talking about free Harvard University courses that you can take from the comfort of your own pajamas. Let's begin. First up, we have CS50, Introduction to Computer Science. This course covers a bit of everything. You'll go from zero to hero in computer knowledge. Next, we've got CS50's Introduction to Artificial Intelligence with Python. You'll dive into the fascinating world of AI. Now let's take a breather and talk about something we all need, a dose of happiness. With Managing Happiness, you'll learn the formula to stay jolly even when your code won't compile. Okay, this one is for the future parents out there or those just curious about why kids do what they do. Early childhood development will make you the best. Last but not least, data science and machine learning, the peanut butter and jelly of the tech world. This course is your golden ticket to becoming a data wizard. And that wraps up our educational field trip to Harvard. No student loans, no admission stress, just pure, high-quality learning. If you found this helpful, you know the drill. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell.